Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain Apple Wallet card not added issues. It can be frustrating when your card won't add to Apple Wallet, but several common reasons exist. Sometimes, your bank or card issuer may not support Apple Pay for that particular card. Other times, simple errors like an incorrect expiration date or security code can be the culprit. An outdated operating system or a weak internet connection can also prevent successful card addition. Don't worry, we'll go through some solutions. Let's start with some quick and easy fixes. First, make sure your iPhone software is completely up to date. This often resolves underlying bugs. A simple restart of your device can also clear up temporary issues. Next, check that your iPhone's region settings align with the country where your card was issued. Finally, signing out of your Apple ID and then back in can sometimes refresh the system and allow the card to be added. If the basic steps didn't work, let's try some deeper solutions. Sometimes the camera scan might misread your card, so try entering all the details manually. For security, Apple Pay requires Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode to be set up on your device. Also, check your device name in settings. Special characters can sometimes interfere. Lastly, confirm that two-factor authentication is enabled for your Apple account, as this is a key security requirement. If you've tried all these steps and still can't add your card, it's time to contact the experts. If you see an error like card device limit, your bank might have a restriction, possibly due to too many linked tokens, which can be up to 9. For could not add card or invalid card messages, your card issuer is the best first point of contact, as Apple does not approve or decline cards. If your bank confirms no issues on their end, then reach out to Apple support for device-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.